Hi, baby. Check out all the snow. Oh my God, this is like overnight, so we're gonna be doing this by hand. It's snowing right now. Do you guys know? Oh no, why? It's frozen? Hi guys, we're in our Thru. It's a 2018 Dodge Challenger? All-wheel drive.
Which is necessary out here.
Absolutely. We woke up this morning, there was like 5-6 inches of snow everywhere.
The car was almost completely covered.
My hands are freezing. Well, actually, Dave's hands are freezing.
I had to take some of the snow off the car just to
open the trunk. Oh, it was pretty funny. But
it's beautiful.
It's beautiful out here. I think it snowed, what, like 6 inches last night?
I think so.
And it's clear now, but starting tomorrow, I guess there's another winter storm. So there's going to be a lot of snow. Lots and lots of snow. But we'll show you more closer we get to Lake Tahoe. Oh no,
Oops. Oh, bueno. So, driving conditions are a little rough. Gotta be careful.
I think Dave and I have been maybe less than a mile. Accident number 2. I can't believe it.
Oh my God, FedEx.
Oh man. You have to be careful for that FedEx truck.
They're in a hurry, man. They gotta get your package.
So we're passing Carson City, which is the capital of Nevada. Del Taco! How cold is it outside, baby?
26 it says.
See, it's a couple degrees warmer here.
Yeah, when it's this cold, it's cold no matter what.
So we're on the 580. We're getting ready to get on the 50 towards Lake Tahoe.
50 west, you said?
Yes.
Or south?
In half a mile, continue on to US 50 West.
West.
50 west.
It's kind of coming down pretty hard, actually. Is that hard? I don't know.
I don't know. This is my first time in the snow. Or snowing.
Yeah. Dave's been up to the mountains with snow, but never when it's been snowing, so we're kind of excited. Woo!
Dude, look at that. Clouds.
Yeah, I think it's snowing right there, love.
Move your hand, I can't see.
The roads are a little windy as soon as you get on the 50, so make sure you drive carefully and not speed.
Yeah, and this is the area they said that you must have four-wheel drive or chains.
And we're so all-wheel drive. Man, I think Dave's going too slow. Look at all these locals.
Well, until I get to know the car. My limitations.
No, we're in the mountains. Look how gorgeous. Davey, you think it's snowing up there?
Yeah, it's snowing right here, so it's definitely snowing up there.
I thought they said the snow wasn't going to start till 3 o'clock.
They said 1.
Oh, 1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock now.
Oh my gosh. So they're pretty accurate?
Yeah.
I hope this drive helps you on how to get there, what it looks like, so you're prepared. That's what our channel's all about, is getting you ready and prepared for travels, good food, and fun places.
And also, be prepared, like have water, have dry, clean, or dry, warm clothes. Because just in case, heaven forbid, your car breaks down. Or
Yes.
worse, an accident, somebody runs into you or whatnot.
Definitely should have water and food and extra clothes, because
You
clothes
never
get
know.
wet, you know, when you get in the snow. So,
You could shut down the road and you'll be stuck on the side of the road for hours.
oh, this car would be nice that's got heated seats. My tushy is a little warm right now. How's the steering wheel, honey?
It's warm.
It's warm. Oh, it's so nice to have a warm steering wheel. But see what I mean? It's pretty windy, right?
Yeah, and I still have yet to see a speed limit sign. I'm assuming it must be more than 50 because people are passing me.
And hey, you guys, take the time out now to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Yeah,
Yeah, you make fun of me. I'm going slow, but safe is slow. Well, I mean, not too slow. I don't know, 60 is pretty comfortable.
It is, right? It doesn't look so bad right now.
I wouldn't hit one of these turns any higher than that.
Have you guys noticed there's more snow? Higher we get up.
There's some stuff.
I can't believe there's so much snow in Reno.
Initially, we were planning on trying to miss most of the snow, but apparently it's going to snow all week.
Dave wish came true. He wanted to see the snow. No, it was pretty funny. I tried to plan this. I kept on looking at the weather. Last week was supposed to be the big storm of the season. No, it's when we're here. So we'll show you all of that. We'll show you Heavenly. We will show you Lake Tahoe, Emerald Bay. All the things that we could drive to, we will show you.
So how many miles on this road? 15, you said?
Total, 24.
All right, so that's going to take almost an hour.
No, Google says we'll be here in 20 minutes. We've already been driving for 35?
Oh, I guess that makes sense. 25 miles, 50 miles an hour.
Yeah, I think that's why it takes you. It's from Reno to South Lake Tahoe. It's 54 miles. It's about an hour and 10 drive. Hour and 10 minute drive. That's what Google says.
As long as you're okay.
So this is Dave and I's first time up in Lake Tahoe. Have you guys been here before? Leave a comment. Let me know what you think, where you've been.
Yeah, and plus we're definitely going to be coming back here again.
Yeah, maybe in the summertime, baby.
Ooh, bears. Bear crossing.
That's kind of interesting. I would love to see a bear. No, I wouldn't. I think I'd be scared. So you've seen the drive. It's not so bad, right?
Same time. But always check the weather conditions because it could get worse.
No plow station. Lots of trees in this area now, huh, baby?
Yeah. We're definitely in the mountains. Out there snowboarding.
Sleighing? Snowboarding? It's kind of nice. You just pull off, and if you have your own sleigh, if you even have a trash bag, go sliding down the mountain for free.
A trash bag?
Yeah, you can use a plastic trash bag, like a big trash bag, you know?
I don't know.
Well, I don't know either, but I'm thinking that you can slide down the mountain.
Like a trash can lid. You know?
Oh yeah, you could do that.
Aluminum ones.
Hey guys, we're here. Well, not just South Lake Tahoe, but I can see Lake Tahoe. Wow, do you guys see it? That is just beautiful, baby. Don't look, you're driving. I'll show you the video when we're done. Dave and I sure hope this video helps you get an idea of what
The drive's like.
yeah, and what it looks like after the first winter storm.
It's an easy drive.
It wasn't so bad. I was kind of scared for nothing.
But we did see 2 accidents.
That was weird. Right in Reno, right when we got on the freeway, right? Almost. Fire department. Thank you for your service, fireman.
Firemen and women.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. That's what I meant. Fire people. My fire peeps. I love my first responders. Sorry about the window, guys. It froze over.
I think I can squirt some water on there, but
I think that might freeze, baby. So the lake's right there between the trees.
that was the guy that
Hey,
passed
you
me.
guys, do you remember the guy who passed Dave up? Well, everyone's been passing us up. But
One of
he
them
just
was.
got pulled over and got a ticket.
So yeah, be safe. Do the speed limit or less. Whatever's safe. Like I'm doing 50 and that's the speed limit, so.
Wow, baby, the sun's coming out. It looks beautiful out here. Be careful, guys. It says ice and tunnel, so going through the tunnel, I would slow down if I were you.
It's snowing over there, or raining at least.
Tunnel! Sorry, guys. I got freaked out for nothing. That was a pretty small tunnel. I think we're at Zephyr Cove. This is just for your safety, for fun. If you're coming out here, I always do this. If I go to Hawaii, I'm watching YouTube, Hawaii videos, our old videos. I don't know. Do you do the same? Leave a comment if you do. Yeah. When Dave and I go on vacation, I think one of the funnest parts is doing the research and figuring out where we're going to eat, what we're going to see, what we're going to do.
Trying to experience all new stuff every time we go, because we've been there a few times, so. Hey, that was a Harrow's limo. Did you see that?
Was it?
Yeah.
That's where we're staying, you guys, at Harris, South Lake Tahoe. And it's not like Dave and I are degenerate gamblers or anything, but right now, it's fun to go somewhere where, 1 o'clock in the morning, you're bored, you can walk downstairs, get some entertainment, get some food. That's why we stay in casinos. How'd the snow plows working? Harris to the left, Harvey's is on the right, and directly next to this building is State Line.
And a tip, especially when the roads are icy, try to let your car slow itself down using the gears instead of jamming on the brakes. Give yourself plenty of room in case you do start sliding.
There's Hard Rock Cafe.
Just in case it's the first time you've been out driving in the snow.
Ooh, $1 beer all day, every day. Hard Rock Cafe, just for people who like beer. This is California side. This is State Line. And here is Heavenly Valley. South Lake Tahoe. They came out to Reno to get away from the crowd. I don't see it right now, but maybe it was crowded on the weekend.
They said it was Monday. Like 4th of July every day out here.
We'll see.